Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today we present this paper in the first international conference on chemical materials and environment preservation, organized by University Qasdi Mirbah, Ouargla, um, under the title Water Heating and Direct Steam Production by Station for a Parabolic Truth Collector connected in series and parallel in the region of Ouargla, presented by PhD student Ashori Intissar. This paper includes the following points. First, introduction. Second, theoretical study. Third, analysis and discussion of the results. And finally, conclusion. The introduction. In the context of achieving sustainable development, solar energy has been reported to whether through photoelectric convection or thermal convection. Among the most important exploitation of the latter, many technologies have been developed to produce heat from solar energy using any main, including solar collector of all kinds. The most widely used in industrial and domestic purpose is the parabolic truth collector (PTC), and this is what we will address in the case of forming a compact station connected in series and parallel to produce hot water and steam for industrial purposes. In this theoretical study, we perform numerical simulation of PTC and determine the number of units connected in series and connected in parallel to meet the demand of the industrial medium in the production of hot water and steam as needed. Second, theoretical study. The incident solar radiation is focused on the orifice thanks to the presence of the reflective surface towards the absorbing tube. Installed on the focal line, the latter absorb the radiation in the form of heat and thus increased its temperature and then transfer the heat to the heat transfer fluid (HTF) by convection in the form of useful heat. Parts of it is lost as a loss by convection, and radiation. The thermal efficiency of this collector is given by the following relationship. 3. Analysis and discussion of the results. A. Connected in series, changing the number of units in one line. As shown in the graphs below. It was observed that the water temperature increased with the increase in the number of PTC units connected in series by increasing the exchange area between the absorber tube and the water, resulting from the connection between the units as shown in the previous figure 4, 5, and 6. We note that the temperature Tmax increases in the number of PTC units connected in series as shown in figure 7, I8 and 9. B. Connected in parallel. Change in the number of lanes. From table 1, it is shown that the increase in the number of parallel lanes lead to an increase in the mass flow. The total mass flow in the case of connected in parallel is equal to the sum of the flow of the lane connected in parallel. Conclusion. The parabolic truth collector is of great importance in heating water and producing direct steam for various domestic and industrial purposes. This need increases more in the winter when the air temperature drops. Through this study, we found the following. 1. The water outlet temperature increases with the increase in the number of PTC units in the case of series connection. 2. An increase in flow leads to a decrease in temperature and vice versa. An inverse relationship between flow and temperature in the case of parallel connection. 3. It is possible to select the appropriate number of units that can be connected in series or parallel as needed. Thanks for listening.